Hi everyone, it's Organic Worm Castings by Soto here on this beautiful sunny Tuesday, May 26, 2020. Right there, right here in front of you, are two of my world's largest organic tomato delicious. I'm in a competition, and so I decided that I'm going to have to make some organic worm casting tea, some compost tea, to give these girls a drink. And that's what I'm going to do here with you today. I've already done all the measurements, and I'll go ahead and put that information in description. But what I have here is the organic worm casting measured cup. I put it in this calendar because I want to release the humic acid, and by slowly pouring non-chlorinated water, that accomplishes that. I have a 1.5 gallon water that's been measured out. Of course, I've taken some of the water out and poured it into this container so that I can take care of that humic acid. And once I do that, I'm going to go ahead and add some of this organic fish and kelp fertilizer, and it also has some molasses in it, and I'm gone ahead and measured that out as well. It tells you that with every 1 gallon you add 2 tablespoons. So since I have 1.5 gallon, I just measured just a little more than 2 tablespoons. Okay, so let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and add this measured water onto the nylon cloth bag, slowly releasing a stream of water. We're releasing the humic acid, tiny microorganisms, into the water. We're going to bring them alive with the bubbling of the aquarium pump. And I'll show you what the water looks like. And of course it shows a little down because there's water in the stocking. I'll just put it to the side here and slide this over so you can see the color of the water already. Now what we're going to do we'll go ahead and take this out. This fertilizer, liquid fertilizer, requires you to shake it up, which I have already. But just give it a few more shakes. Now we'll measure this out. Now, rather than me put that liquid fertilizer into the water, I'm going to not do that. I'm going to actually put it inside the worm casting. So here you have it. The apparatus is set up and the pump is in operation. And all I simply did was take the pouch, sandwich it in between the two bubblers, tied it with the lace from the netting, laid it down into the water, pull back the string of the netting and attach it to the container with a clip. And as you can see, we have a nice bubble going. Already starting. So we'll check back. I'll make another video and you can see what's going on. Until then, stay safe, have a beautiful day this Tuesday, and black gold is the way to go. Bye for now.